Machine learning can be a complex subject to learn. If you were to Google machine learning, definitions like this will come up. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P if the performance on T as a measure by P improves with experience E. Wait, whoa, you lost me at E. Definitions like this leave you more confused than when you first started. Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm going to attempt to define machine learning in under 3 minutes. In the simplest term, machine learning is the study of algorithms that make predictions about our data. This is a very high-level overview of the process of machine learning. We start with historical data. Then we choose a model, train it, test it, and optimize it to make future predictions. There's basically 3 major categories under machine learning. These are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we train the computer like a human. In machine learning terms, we say that the data is labeled. For example, if in our data we have pictures of cars and other objects, then we label that data saying which objects are cars and which ones are not. For unsupervised learning, we let the computer make its own observation and find patterns in the data. In this type of learning, the data is not labeled. Let's look at an example of this. This time, we don't tell the computer which ones are cars and which ones are animals. We let the computer figure out on its own. In reinforcement learning, we reward the computer for making the correct decisions. For this example, we have an agent. You can think of this as a robot, and then we have an environment, which you can think of it as the world. Now the robot sees the state of the environment and takes an action. Based on this action, the robot receives a reward or a punishment. For example, let's say that we're traveling in a path. If the robot hits the wall, then he receives negative points. But if the robot follows the path, then he will receive positive points. It's just like a video game. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe for more on machine learning.